में सभी का स्वागत है। द टोपाज इवेंट प्रेजेंट मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन का आयोजन डॉक्टर नीलम पराडिया जी ने किया था। महिलाओं को प्रेरणा देने के लिए इन्होंने ये इस प्रोग्राम का आयोजन किया था। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सौंदर्य प्रतियोगिता मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन 2024 सीजन 4 और रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन अचीवर अवार्ड का आयोजन 3 और 4 अगस्त को क्लब एमरल्ड मुंबई भारत में किया गया था। द टोपाज इवेंट प्रेजेंट मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन 2024 सीजन में डॉक्टर साइली सुनील शिंदे इंडिया, सबटाइटल मिस फिटनेस, विनर टाइटल मिस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन 2024 यह किताब जीते।
Welcome to Miss and Mrs. Royal Global Queen Season 4. And here with us we have Dr. Saili. Hello, firstly, welcome you to the beautiful Miss and Mrs. Royal Global Queen Season 4. I would like to ask you what made you decide to participate in this beautiful pageant?
Definitely, there are a lot of multiple factors, which is I strongly believe. But the pageant concept is something which is allows you to give this immense power and allow to fight with all the insecurities, which is actually in you, and that when you walk on that stage, you feels like a queen, and that's the best part of the life that every woman doesn't get that stand in their life actually. So every woman, I think it doesn't matter because here I have seen there are a lot of females. The one who has very have they're more be like having a good lesser height. Even some of them are having extra fats in their body, but they are still feels like a queen. And I think that's the best part of the pageant because it should be there because not everyone has bottom perfect, and definitely you should take care of your body. But if sometimes some things are not happen according to yourself, and therefore I think this pageantry concept is actually made for those females who fight, allowed to fight with their insecurity and give the immense confidence to fight the other things which is actually present in their life. Because this, Neelam ma'am and everybody tell us that you are queen and you are actually a queen of real life. So I think that which I have learned, and definitely my co-contestants, I have seen them. They are very confident. The way they talk, there are a lot of things to be learned from them. And I feels like when I will be in the age, I mean, I'm about to Nilam ma'am's age, I really wanted to be like them. Yeah, really.
That's really nice. Yeah, I think in this pageant, it's not about your color or your body type.
Exactly.
I mean, everyone is beautiful in their own way. That's absolutely right. Also, would
Inclusiveness, inclusiveness, like
Yes,
inclusions for every shape, size, age,
Exactly.
and color. Yes.
Yeah.
yes, but again, thank you to you, Dr. Neelam, for making them feel beautiful in the way they are. So,
Yes,
thank you very
exactly.
much. Dr. Sally, I would like to ask you what title have you won today?
I have won a title of Miss Fitness. I think this is something which I actually wanted to win when I seen that subtitles. So actually, I got my favorite one only because I'm a yoga freak. I do meditations. So meditation allows me to connect spiritually and allows me to give a good guidance. I believe when my mind is always keep calm and allow me to give a proper answer when I get calm, and then I can talk properly. So I think yoga and meditation are the best part of my life. They allow me to grow successful. So yes, definitely everybody tells that go for meditation. It's really a best thing and best part of your life.
That's really nice. Yeah, maybe you can come for the next season, being our yoga trainer or some meditation trainer with us.
Sure. She's really good. Yeah.
Yeah, so we'd love to have it next season also. Thank you, and please stay
Hopefully.
tuned with us. And we're looking for your lovely support.
Thank you so much. Oh, I'm so sorry. I love you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Pleasure having you, Dr. Saili.
दुनिया भर के 10 देशों में से महिलाओं ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था। महिला सशक्तिकरण और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय एकीकरण के साथ भाईचारे के सामाजिक उद्देश्यों का जश्न मनाया गया। यह वैश्विक मंच पर कॉस्मेटिक डेंटल सर्जन डॉक्टर नीलम पराडिया और द टोपाज इवेंट द्वारा आयोजित स्टार स्टडेड कार्यक्रम था।
Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. My name is Saili Shinde. I'm a passionate PhD research scholar. I strongly believe on the concept that if you are not giving 100% for your goal, you're just being unfair with yourself. Qualifying prestigious government exam and work as a theatre actor, I enjoy standing out and being unique. Definitely, the beauty with brain concept always fascinates me. But there are the 5% of the people who carry PhD worldwide. But I wanted to be in that 0.5% of the unique individuals and want to prove that by keeping myself as a priority, that if you can dream it, you can do it. So never underestimate the power that can change yourself. Thank you. So, being a daughter, what advice would you give to your parents? Thank you so much for such a wonderful question, ma'am. I will give advice to my parents that you taught us to, be a confident, be the great leader. But you never taught us to say no. Okay, this is very important that people can't say no, and specifically the female who never say no, no to their in-laws, no to their husband. Specifically, there are many married females are victims of marital rape, and be a woman, I personally believe, to saying no and stand against what is injustice with you. I think this has to teach by your parents not to be always soft, always be not soft spoken. Definitely, respect and love is every time important, but saying no and stand for yourself is very important. And please teach your to. I will give this advice to my parents. Thank you so much,
Amazing.
ma'am.
And that's an advice to take home, I think, for all us parents to hear. Thank you so much.
Being the most fit, the fitness cycle.
She's representing Padma Shri Sudha Murthy, chairperson of the Infosys Foundation. In a recent Rajya Sabha speech in 2024, she highlighted the critical issues of women's health. She emphasized that women are respected where the God resides. Many mothers often neglect their health for their families. With this, Mrs. Murthy has taken an initiative of Incit for reducing its cost from 1400 to just rupees 400. She referenced a successful trial conducted a decade ago in Tamil Nadu as well. Can never replace their mother, is what she stated. Contestant number one, Dr. Saili Shinde from Mumbai. Absolutely awestruck, but once again, congratulating Dr. Saili Shinde for winning the winner in the Miss category.
That I got this prize as a winner of Miss Global Queen 2024 season 4, and I strongly don't believe it. To be honest, there will be I looking like I'm succeed, but I really like to thanks to my doctor, my guide PI who supported me for this journey, is Dr. Bipin Kulkarni, who was there, who took permission from the director to do this. You can do it. I think every PhD student deserve a guide like him. Definitely, my colleagues, my office colleagues who are really excited, my mom, my family, and I'm very happy. And I think their blessing. This is why I won this pageant, because they say anyhow you have to win this, and I did it. So definitely, I'm very excited to show them that I won this competition. I want to tell you the one thing that is never underestimate the power that can change yourself. You can do it if you dream it. Believe me, if I can do it, then you can definitely do it. So just keep doing it. And बाकी बस भगवान पे छोड़ दो. God is great always. And really, I really want to thanks to CM News also that they are always alert to take our small कि सब अच्छा चल रहा है कि नहीं properly. They are ready to just taking and they are always right away for us. So thank you CM News. And definitely thanks to Neelam ma'am and for giving me such a wonderful friends, such a wonderful personality like Dr. Sashi, Dr. ये सुनोशिनी है, Vinaya है, Varsha, everybody got very excellent, very positive aura. I feel these 2 days are like very heavenly for me. Even though I definitely not win, but I earned more than the great bonding which I have got. And I think these are the best people I have met, and they are very positive, humble. I have learned a lot of things from them. So I just wanted, I'm really enjoying my time. Thank you so much.
मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन सीजन 4 का आयोजन बेहद सफल रहा और इसके साथ हम अभी के लिए अलविदा लेते हैं। सीएम न्यूज इंडिया, मुंबई।